Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use soap brows the right way. I just want to tell you guys that before I use this product, I initially thought that soap brows are only for guys and girls that have thicker or fuller brows. For people that have thinner brows like me, baka pangit. But I was actually just using it the wrong way. Anyway, this is just gonna be a super quick tutorial and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. Okay, so what you're gonna need are soap brows, obviously, a spoolie. This is optional, but I like to use pencil right after. So here are the steps. First, you have to wet your spoolie. What I do is, wala kasi akong pang spray, like spray bottle and water, mas okay sana yun. But what I do is that I turn on the faucet, tapos I put it under it and I do that. You want to rub it here, just like that, until it looks pasty. Ang problem kasi if you wet your brush too much is that baka maging soapy na siya. Like, it's gonna lather. Okay, so I went closer. So after your brush looks like this, it sort of looks gross, but it's fine. So you have to brush it up. And then brush it in the opposite direction. Actually, this is the first step pala, brushing it in the opposite direction. Brushing it up is the second step. Sorry. So now that it looks weird, you can see that I have no eyebrow hair on this part. So once it looks like that, you are going to brush it up. Okay? Ito pa lang yung part na ibabrush mo siya up. So you brush it up and sort of brush it ng pa-curve like this. So now you want to clean it to the shape that you want. And I want it like that. Ta-da! Now it's clean. Now that it looks like that, I'm gonna use my pencil to just fill out the sparse areas. So I'm just gonna do the same thing on this brow. And just like that, I am done. See, that took like what, 5 minutes minus the talking. For recap, all you have to do is brush your hair in the opposite direction, make it look super crazy, and after that, you brush it upwards and then measure like a curve in the end part because you don't want it to go up, right? So you want it to sort of going in that direction. And after that, you have to clean your brows or like shape your brows. So yeah, and the last part is optional. You can shade it with your pencil or pomade. So the product that I use is from Morena Brows and they only sell it for like 289. If I remember it correctly, I think it's 289 pesos for this 40-gram. So that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick and super straight to the point tutorial on how to use soap brows, especially for thin brows, the right way. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe because I post videos every week. Thanks for watching!